In today's video, I will show you how to find all the highlighted text in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. It's super easy and it will save you a lot of time, especially if you are reviewing documents full of highlighted notes. Let's get started. First, make sure your PDF file is open in Adobe Acrobat. You should already see your document on the screen. Now we will focus on finding all those highlighted sections. Next, look for the comments icon on the right sidebar of your screen. Click on it. This opens the comments panel. Here you will see a list of every highlight and comment inside your document. All the highlighted text will appear neatly in one place, so you can easily scroll through or jump to any part. Now, to make things even easier, click on the funnel icon at the top of the comments panel. This lets you filter specific type of comments or highlights so you can focus only on the ones you need. It's a great way to quickly review important sections without manually scrolling through every page. And that's it. You have just learned how to find all the highlighted text in your PDF using Adobe Acrobat. I hope you like the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.